Hi guys, welcome to another short snippet to compare the Agras T10, which is on the right of your screen, and another aircraft in the DJI stable, which is the M300. That's the aircraft on the left of the screen. As you notice, both of these have their arms folded. So we will unfold the arms later on to also show you the size, but just to do a walk around. So that's the general size when it's folded, as you can see. So we'll move around to the other side as well. There you go. Just to the back. Okay. So maybe I'll say about double up the size. Okay. Catch you in the next round when the arms are unfolded. Okay, so now we have the arms unfolded. Again, the Agras T10 is on the right hand side and the M300 is on the left hand side, and you can see how significantly larger it is compared to the M300. We cannot do a walk around because there's no space in the office here, but yeah, that gives you a general idea the size of the two aircraft to give you a reference. Alright, thank you.